Hello friends, welcome to this video interview questions for MicroStrategy level metrics. So let's get started. The first question is what will be the sequel? We have an attribute which is category which has books, electronics, movies and music and the corresponding revenue. The revenue metric has been created from the fact revenue by using the formula sum of revenue. The level, the condition and transformations are kept as default. So this will be our sequel. The select clause will contain the category and the revenue, that is the sum of total dollar sales from the sales table, that is our fact table, and the category, that is a lookup table. There will be join on the category ID between these two tables, and there will be a group by the category ID. Second question is we have an attribute subcategory which is the child of category. So in if we place that in our report, we will have category, subcategory, and revenue. What will be the sequel for this? So as we have seen in the first question, the sequel will have the category, will have the additional subcategory, the sum of the dollar sales as our revenue from the sales table, the two lookup tables. There will be a join for both of them, and the group by will be by category ID as well as the subcategory ID. A third question is what will be the sequel and result set if for this report, that is the category, subcategory, and revenue, we are including a local filter on category attribute where the it contains books and electronics. So this will be similar to our second question. The additional thing will be the where clause will contain the category ID in 1 comma 2. If we see the output for this is a normal output for all the subcategories. Since we have only books and electronics category here, only those will be shown here. It will be shown for each subcategory as well. Third question is we have the same filter, the same report, but for the revenue metric, we are changing the level dimensionality. The target remains the report level, but we are for the filtering, we are making it as ignore. In this case, the filtering that is on category books and electronics will be ignored and all the values will be showed to us for the category. So if we see our sequel, there is the where clause which was having the category 1 comma 2 is not present here. Our fifth question is we have the same category. Here the filtering is set to none. In that case, what is going to happen? So in case of none, we see the category books and electronics. And we see this in the where clause as well. For our sixth question, we have the filter. For the revenue metric, the target is set to category. Filtering and grouping are set as standards. This is our general or the default result. So in this case, what's going to happen is if we see for books, we are going to get this category. Books category, this value is getting repeated. And for electronics, this value 2439130 is getting repeated. This is happening because the target is set as category. Therefore, the grouping is happening, and that is the value is displayed based on the category and not dividing by the subcategory. Here, if we see the sequel, it's creating a temp table for the category ID and a metric, in which it is pulling the category ID and the metric by grouping it by the category ID and where category ID is 1 and 2. In the last pass, all those category from the above is being pulled here. Next question is the level dimensionality will contain the category which was in the previous question as well as the report level which are set to standard and standard. In this case, how the result set will be and SQL. So it's gonna be same. If we see it's doing the filtering for us, the subcategory for books and electronics are displayed, but the values are same as we have in our previous question and even the SQL as well. Therefore, even though we keep only category or report level and category both together, the results are coming as same. In our next question, we have changed the filter from category to subcategory. So subcategory has art and architecture, cameras and drama. The level of the metric is set at report level. So here we can see we are able to see only three categories because we have selected three subcategories: the art, architecture, cameras and drama, and their values are getting displayed here. If we see in our where clause, we are having the subcategory 11, 22 and 33. If we had a category filter, we had the category 1, 2. In our next question, we have the same filter, but the level we have changed from report to category, and the filtering are grouping are standard. In this case, we see the value for art and architecture was 480173, which gets repeated for all the subcategories here. For electronics, it was 5061148. The same gets repeated for others. And same for our movies. In movies, we had selected drama. So if you see 698840 gets repeated. This is happening because the target is category, therefore the values are displayed based on the category and is not breaking down by subcategory. If we see the SQL, the group by will be only by category, and the categories which correspond to the same subcategory 11, 22 and 33 are displayed here. The last pass, the our values are just copied. And the next question, the filtering is set to absolute, grouping remains standard. For this, we can see for books, our total was 2640094, which gets repeated for the entire books. For electronics, the entire was 24391,303. So the entire thing is getting here. For movies, the total was 4098943. So total values for the categories are getting displayed here. In the next question, the filtering is set to ignore. So here we can see the subcategory had three values, all of them are ignored, and books, electronics, movies as well as music is getting displayed here with its total number. If filtering is set to none, in that case we get the same output as if the filtering was set to standard, where we see only the art and architecture values gets copied over. Here only the filtered values of camera, and here the drama value gets copied. In the next question, we have changed the grouping to none and filtering remains standard. So this is our normal category and subcategory wise revenue. This is our revenue for only the filtered values, that is art and architecture values, electronics and cameras, and for movies the drama value. So if we see the total, the same total gets copied over for all because there is no grouping now. If we see the SQL, when the matrix gets calculated, it's just calculated with the subcategory ID 11, 22, 33. It does not do any grouping based either on subcategory ID or the category ID. Now our next question, the filtering is absolute and grouping has been set to none. For this, previously we have seen if it was absolute, the value filtering was absolute, the entire book's revenue was copied for all the subcategory. Same for electronics and movies. So if we see the total 31, 130, 341, this gets repeated for all the values. If we see our sequel, here also there is no grouping. Now our next question, the filtering is set to ignore and grouping is none. In that case, since the filtering is set to ignore, we'll get all the values for books, electronics, movies, and music, and the total value for this, that is here 3502378, that gets repeated for all. In our sequel, we can see there is dump table created for the revenue, in which it pulls the total dollar sales sum of it from the fact table. Again, there is no where clause and there is no grouping. That then from the category, subcategory, and the revenue from the temp table gets copied here. The last pass. The next question is filtering is set to none and grouping is also set to none. In that case, if we see, we have earlier seen if the filtering is none, then it behaves normally like a standard filtering, and only the values which are in the filters gets displayed. Here the values for art and architecture, here camera, and here drama gets copied. The total is 6240161. So the same value gets repeated for all the category and subcategory version here. If we see the sequel, the matrix gets calculated in the temp pass, where the subcategory ID is taken into account. That is, the filtering takes place but no grouping. And again, the last pass, the category, subcategory, and the is there along with this metric from the temp pass gets just copied here without any changes. Thank you for watching.